Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good morning. If you are one of my subscribers and you've watched a number of my videos, then you know that I am not one of those people that really just know how to apply makeup. But this is what I did to my face this morning because I'm so excited about being able to get my hair retightened on yesterday. Out of the excitement, before I share my update on my retightening, I decided to do my face. If you want to see how I achieved this look, just keep on watching. Take this brush. That what I'll do sometimes is this. I'll take my little cheek brush, go over my lips, just add a little bit of color. And I'm going to put on some earrings, and then I'm going to do my next video. Somebody's horn is going off next door or alarm. So this is a sister who loves her locks. I love my friends. I love my family. I love my subscribers, and especially love God because he's been so good to me. This is what I do to prepare for my videos so that my hair will blend with my face. Yeah. I'm that lady that does not know how to really do makeup, but I do know how to try to enhance my looks just a little bit. See you in the next one.